Hi, my angels! I hope you're ready to learn how to make 2 unique hairstyles today. The first one is going to have a beautiful braid, and the outcome will be mind-blowing. We're gonna start by sectioning out the hair into 3 parts and then putting the back hair section into a bun. Using an elastic tie to secure it, and we're gonna make the bun low this time. The front sections are going to look the cutest ever, because we're braiding them and making it sleek. Adding sections as we braid and make the side parts look fantastic. I am loving this one already, and we're not even done yet. Moving on to the other side, adding a cute thin braid in this one as well. Securing the braids with these 2 elastic ties and making sure they won't move around and get messy. Amazing, isn't it? On to the second one, and let's see how this is going to turn out. Those sections are looking so smooth. I wonder how this is going to turn out. Let's make it look like a cute heart with the braids on it. These pink elastic ties make every hairstyle look way cuter. It's braiding time! And it is such a satisfying process. Adding new hair sections as we braid through. I am very excited to see the final results on this one. What about you guys? Love it! Just the prettiest hairstyle in a heart shape.